Welcome to Menina Creations. We are working on a special mix right now to repair old blacktop. There's a lot of people that have problems with cracks in their blacktop. Blacktop is not as structural as concrete, as we all know, and we're looking to actually add a mesh to address the crackage problems. This is our own driveway we're working on, and what we did here is we did an experiment. We took old asphalt. It's kind of hard to see, it's a little sunny day, but it used to look like this. Now it looks like this. This is actual special topping mix, a mix that we designed to adhere to the blacktop, and it's working real great. And just stay posted, and we will. This is our pool area. We wanted a nice transition to the pool without burning your feet on the blacktop, so we picked a nice light color. Sue did the color combinations with I think it's coffee, rust brown, and a terracotta on the borders. But experimental project, and we hope there's more to come of this process. Thanks for tuning in.